G'day, it's Andrew here. In this video we're going to look at the PnP modern search web parts in a bit more detail. So I'll just show you what they are and why they're awesome. So we've got our SharePoint site here. Now I've created a search page. Let's click on that. Right, so this is a custom search page. Now the layout looks similar to what you'd see on Amazon or eBay. So you've got the filtering options here on the left. So you can filter your search results by these custom properties that I've created. So I've got a page type, topic, how-tos, so just relating pages to how-tos. So this page actually consists of 4 separate web parts that comprise the PnP modern search. So I'll just show you how the search works first of all, and then we'll drill down into a bit of detail and look at each of these web parts. So the way the page works, on the left you've got your filters. At the top here you've got your vertical searches, so you can determine your search scope. You've got a input box here, you can actually search for a particular term, and here you've got all the results. So it's fairly intuitive how to use it. So let's test out a couple of these on the left, for example. So if I click topic, let's say I'm interested in automation, click apply. It shows me pages that are related to automation. So this includes organizations and people and companies that may talk about automation. Let's say I want to narrow my search and just see people that know about automation. I can click on my vertical search up the top here and it just narrows down to these 2 people. Incidentally, this site we're looking at, the Digital Workplace Hub, it's just got a whole lot of resources related to the digital workplace. So people, events that are on, that sort of thing. Okay, so that's how the search filters work on the left, and the verticals up the top, and the search results. You can combine your searches, your search values in different ways. So if I'm looking for a particular author, let's choose my name there. On all pages. Okay, these are all the articles that I've written, all listed there, and I could drill down, and if I just want to see my articles that are related to how to configure search refiners, for example, I can refine my search. Alright, now we'll look at these web parts in a bit more detail. So let me click Edit to edit the page. Right, so we've got the 4 web parts. We've got the search verticals, search filters, search box, and search results. Let's look at the search results first of all, how to get this working. So let's click in there, click on the properties. So I've been through this in more detail in another video, so I won't spend too long in this video. But you've got, in the query template field, you've got your query. It grabs the information that's in this verticals web part up there. So all 4 of these web parts talk to each other. And the way they do that is in the configuration settings. If we go to this 3rd page here, we've got an option here. You connect to a verticals web part, that's this web part up here. We're also connecting to a filters web part, which is this web part over here. And you'll see down here, use input query text, which is this box. So you've got to set those all on. So that kind of shows how they're all connected. That's the results. As I said, I've covered this in another video. You've got whole lots of options there for deciding how the output looks. Let's click into this one, the search box. It's pretty straightforward. It's just an input box, and you just allows people to type in a term. Search filters, here you can decide what properties you want to filter by. So I've set some custom properties up. So if we go into the customized filters, go into there, you can see the different filters that I've got there. It'll only show the filters that are active for the pages that are in the results page, so I won't necessarily show them all at the same time. So as an example of some of the filters I've got here, I've got a page type, I've got a topic, like I said, I've got the how-to, any technology that I want to search on, who the author is, organization, country. I've got a display filter, which I can talk about a bit later, and when it was last modified. So they're all the filters that I've set up. Now you'll see that there's only 5 showing there. Like I said, it'll only show the filters that are relevant. Now we've got the search verticals. Let's click in there to configure the verticals. You'll see the headings here, and you just add the query that you want to use in that tab value, and then the search results gets that query. So that's how it's all set up. That's how the 4 web parts all work together to give you this great search experience. Let me just republish that page, and I'm going to show you just quickly at the end just another page where I've combined these search web parts again. So let's go to a person page. Right, so let's go to my page. And you'll see here we've got the verticals up the top here. We don't have the input box, but we've got the filters over here. So I can actually apply my filter only to search for articles that I've written. So if I'm interested in SharePoint, for example, I can filter my results down to just SharePoint. So that's how it works. There's lots of possibilities and options with using these web parts. They're awesome. You should check it out and get onto it. Start using them.